Okay, we want to talk about simplifying expressions. So there's a few rules we follow. The first one is the integral coefficients must be or are relatively prime. In other words, it's like 2 over 3, not like 6 over 8. Okay? Alright, each base only appears once. Each base only appears once. So that means I can have A over B, not AB over B squared. Okay, that's not allowed. And 3, and there are no powers of powers. Okay, so I can have A to the 6th, not A squared cubed. The last one is no negative exponents. So that's 1 over x squared, not x to the negative 2. Now, we'll talk about the negative exponents more on the next part. So we won't have many in this situation. Okay, so let's look at some examples involving simplifying. The first one is 24s to the 4th over t cubed, or times t cubed, all over 32s t to the 5th. Okay, so to simplify this, there's a few different ways to do it. First, you look for GCFs. Okay, well, GCFs 24 is 8 times 3, 32 is 8 times 4. Alright, now I look, where do I have more s's? I have more s's on top. So that means I'm going to put s on top, and it's going to be 4 minus 1. I have more t's on bottom, and so that's t, and it's 5 minus 3. Cancel the things I can cancel. So I get 3, s to the 4 minus 1 is 3, over 4, t to the 5 minus 3 is 2, and that's your answer. Okay, whereas the next one, 5x over 4y squared times 2y over, let me clean that up a little bit, 2y over x squared. That whole thing is cubed. Okay, so I'm going to deal with the power outside the parentheses first, and I'm not going to touch anything else. I'm going to try to do these in as much detail as possible. So that's 2 cubed, y cubed, x squared cubed. Okay, we're power outside of parentheses. We distribute the power, and then we'll deal with the bottom here. Won't change anything, but what is on the bottom here, okay, we'll take that and we'll deal with that. Okay, we'll say that right there, 2 cubed is 8. So we'll deal with the 8y cubed, and power to power we multiply 2 times 3 again. Power to power we multiply, so that's 2 times 3, and that is 6. Alright, and so if we do that, and now I combine it into one little piece of fraction, 5 times 8, 5 times 8, x times y cubed, and then I have 4y squared x to the 6th, and that comes from this stuff here. Okay, some stuff will cancel. That goes into that. Okay, we're heavier on bottom, heavier on top in those situations. So 5 times 2, or 5 times 2, we have the y's on top, and that's 3 minus 2. We have the x's on bottom, and that's 6 minus 3. Simplify it the last step. 5 times 2 is 10. Y to the 3 minus 2 is 1. Over x to the 6 minus 3 is 3.